Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're aiming for a high paying career in the tech world, certain skills and roles can make a huge difference. Today, we'll explore the top tech jobs with impressive salaries and the skills you need to land them. Let's jump right in. 1. Cloud Architect. Average annual salary $201,072. Cloud architects design and implement cloud solutions for companies, ensuring scalability, security, and reliability. They're responsible for selecting cloud providers, overseeing migrations, and aligning cloud strategies with business goals. Expertise in cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud is essential, along with strong networking, security, and strategic thinking skills. Top companies: Cisco Systems, Oracle, Google, Intel Corporation, Microsoft. Best for designing cloud infrastructures that power modern businesses. 2. Average annual salary $148,821. Network security engineers protect a company's network and computer systems from cyber threats. They design security measures, monitor activity, and respond to incidents. Key skills include knowledge of firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and cybersecurity protocols. This role is in high demand as cyber threats continue to evolve. Top companies: Meta, Cisco Systems, Amazon, Qualtrics, Coolsoft. Best for safeguarding sensitive data and systems from cyber attacks. 3. Average annual salary $160,670. Data scientists analyze vast data sets to inform business decisions using statistical models and machine learning algorithms. Key skills include proficiency in Python, R, and data visualization tools. The demand for data scientists is growing rapidly, making this one of the most sought-after tech careers. Top companies: Meta, Amazon, Oracle, Quora, Google. Best for extracting valuable insights from data to guide business strategy. 4. Machine learning engineer. Average annual salary $165,999. Machine learning engineers create algorithms that allow systems to learn from data and make predictions. Strong programming skills, particularly in Python or Java, and a deep understanding of machine learning algorithms are essential. The widespread adoption of AI in sectors like healthcare, finance, and technology fuels the demand for machine learning engineers. Top companies: Qualcomm, Apple, Adobe, ServiceNow, Meta. Best for building intelligent systems that can learn and adapt. 5. Cybersecurity engineer. Average annual salary $143,787. Cybersecurity engineers protect organizations' systems and networks from cyber threats. They implement security measures, monitor vulnerabilities, and respond to incidents. As cyber threats increase, the need for skilled cybersecurity engineers grows. This role requires expertise in ethical hacking, network protocols, and cybersecurity tools. Top companies: Meta, Palo Alto Networks, Google, Apple, X. Best for defending against cyber attacks and ensuring data protection. 6. Software engineer. Average annual salary $160,686. Software engineers are involved in developing, testing, and maintaining software applications. This role requires strong programming skills and a good understanding of the entire software development lifecycle. With the constant evolution of technology, software engineers are needed across various industries. Top companies: Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, IBM. Best for creating innovative software solutions that drive technological advancements. Which one should you choose? For cloud computing, master platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud to excel as a cloud architect. For cybersecurity, focus on network security and ethical hacking for roles like network security engineer or cybersecurity engineer. For data science, learn Python, R, and machine learning to thrive as a data scientist. For machine learning, dive into algorithms and AI for a career as a machine learning engineer. For software development, strengthen your coding skills and software design knowledge to become a software engineer. Each of these roles offers a lucrative salary and opportunities in top tech companies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career tips. See you in the next one.